Hey everyone, we're fixing the Bell& and Howell bionic spotlight repair. I like this repair because we had the opportunity to use a 3D printer to fix this. So there's the product how it's supposed to be. The housing hinge got cracked, so you'll see me gluing it over there. Also gluing a light fixture on the side there for a different repair. Patching up an opening that was in the plastic with some black tape. And getting back to the actual part itself, I start taking off the repair with tape and zip tie for the ball joint. So here you'll see that the mount is actually broken, and we were fortunate to find it on Thingiverse, the replacement part. So here we had a chance to actually 3D print a real fix. Otherwise, we would have glued everything into a single position. So you'll see now here the bowl joint and how it's supposed to fit. Kind of squeezes around the bowl joint once you tighten down that collar. So now the lawn stake pole needed to be repaired, and it was cracked on one end. So the simple solution was to actually just flip it around. Now I reassembled the hinge block, and I put a dot of glue to hold the washer in place. Now we have the new 3D printed part, and you can see the difference between the broken and the new, and simply reassemble everything and do the final test. So this was a great success. We were able to 3D print a part and have full functionality back to the original version. So hope this helped. Thanks.